Welcome back to Car Flair. Today, we're diving into one of the most elite and extravagant motorhomes in the world, the Dembell Motorhome Model M. This isn't just a camper, it's a luxury mansion on wheels built to perfection, and it sits on the legendary Mercedes Actros chassis. For those who expect nothing less than the best while traveling, this motorhome sets a whole new standard for what life on the road can look like. At 12 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 4 meters tall, the Dembell Model M has an unmistakable presence. It's a statement of wealth, engineering, and design. Powered by a 12.8-liter V12 Mercedes engine that produces a commanding 530 horsepower, this beast handles the open road effortlessly while offering smooth, quiet cruising despite its massive frame. It's built for power, performance, and total comfort. From the outside, the sleek body, modern lines, and hidden compartments give this motorhome an executive look. But it's what's inside that truly blows you away. Step through the automated entry, and you're greeted with an interior that rivals 5-star hotel suites. Premium materials, handcrafted furniture, integrated LED lighting, and a layout that makes full use of every inch of space. It features a luxury living room, a gourmet kitchen, a designer bathroom, and a private master bedroom, all with an ultra-modern finish. One of the standout features of the Dembell Model M is its garage. This motorhome comes equipped with a rear-loading car garage that can hold a smart car or a compact EV. It's perfect for exploring towns and cities without having to maneuver the large rig. The garage itself opens with a hydraulic lift and integrates beautifully into the structure of the vehicle. Technologically, the Dembell is packed. You'll find a full home automation system, a premium entertainment center, climate control zones, solar energy integration, and powerful battery storage for full off-grid capabilities. The cabin is driver-focused, offering state-of-the-art controls, large navigation screens, and the comfort of Mercedes-Benz's most refined driving tech. With a market value of €1,070,000 or about $1,250,000, the Dembell Motorhome Model M isn't for the average road tripper. This is for those who want to travel in first-class luxury without ever stepping foot in an airport. Thanks for watching Car Flair. If this level of motorhome luxury impresses you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive tours and reviews of the world's most spectacular vehicles.